Hi, Chris McClune here with Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment, here today to talk to you about the Fire Department Safety Officers Association, or the FDSOA's Apparatus Specification and Maintenance Symposium. Our next event is going to take place in January from the 21st to the 23rd. Today I'm standing here in Weldon Fire Company in Glenside, Pennsylvania, which is where I volunteer, in front of our antique hose reel. You know, as I stand here and I take a look at this, it really is amazing how far we've come, but the operations have remained basically the same. The tenets that we came up with early on in the fire service remain today. Find a water source, stretch line to the fire, put water on the fire, and hopefully our job is done as safely and efficiently as possible. But obviously our apparatus today has become far more sophisticated, even though the basic tenets have remained the same. And it's not always easy to get the information we need in what can be a very, very complex and confusing purchasing environment. And that's where the Apparatus Specification and Maintenance Symposium comes in. This year there are going to be a variety of sessions, as well as pre-conference and post-conference sessions. Pre-conference includes pump operations and maintenance, as well as apparatus specification writing, and post-conference will include a session on aerial maintenance. During the main body of the symposium this year, we'll have sessions like choosing the right aerial for your department, current apparatus designs, using technology for collision avoidance, as well as a panel entitled Apparatus Manufacturers Listen, where you'll have a chance to talk to manufacturers sitting on a stage in the front of the room, and you'll be able to ask the questions that have been burning in your mind about apparatus specification and maintenance. Of course, don't forget to visit the myriad vendor displays, and there is always ample time for networking at this event. So make your plans now for January 21st through the 23rd at the 2019 FDSOA Apparatus Specification and Maintenance Symposium. We've come a long way since the hose reels of yesteryear, and this is a great opportunity for you and other members of your department to come down and get the lowdown on what they need to know for their next apparatus purchase. See you then.